Cause I put it there. Cause I put it there. Yeah, I put it there.
Okay, yeah, so gotta pull it in your ass. Yeah, I shot you in the butt while me and the crew were driving past. Little did you know we'd be driving really fast. Now your poor little Heidi may require a large cast. Bitch, now what you gonna do? Swag Team Mafia's had its way with you. I feel kinda bad cause you were just a little critter, but I'm sorry that my bullet found its way into your shitter.
Now pull it in your ass, now pull it in your ass, 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 pull it in your ass.
Cause I put it there. 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 I put it there.
Yeah, swag on 1,000, bitch, you know I'm popping shells. And I hit you in the rectum, yeah, the place with all the smells. Brown stuff, yeah, that's where it all swells. Swag hit you in the anus, yeah, it's sure to make a yell. Wake you in the morning with my gun until your butt. Didn't know you sleep naked, so I'm covering up your nuts. My mama always said you gotta shoot for the moon, so now your ass is glowing and it's red like a baboon. Red like a baboon. Red like a baboon, it's red like a baboon, red like a baboon, hey.